Look up at the night sky. Among the countless stars and planets, one red dot has always fascinated humanity. The red planet, Mars, a world that looks like Earth's twin, yet so different. A world that holds secrets of water, life, and even our future survival. Today, let's uncover the complete story of Mars. From ancient myths to modern science, from mysteries to future colonization. We'll explore the red planet step by step, through a series of chapters. Each chapter will open a new door. One will reveal Mars's breathtaking landscapes, towering volcanoes and deep canyons. Another will uncover the story of water that once flowed across its surface. Some chapters will take us into the search for life, while others will glimpse the future, when humans may one day call this red world their home. So get ready. This is a journey through Mars, told in chapters, where each one brings us closer to understanding the secrets of the red planet. Chapter 1. Mars in Human Imagination. Thousands of years ago, people gazed at Mars and noticed its reddish glow. Ancient Babylonians named it after their god of war. Greeks called it Ares. Romans named it Mars, the god of war, because of its blood-red color. In Hindu mythology, Mars is known as Mangal, associated with energy, aggression, and action. For centuries, Mars has been a symbol of war, power, and mystery. Even today, Mars is one of the brightest objects in the night sky. Its changing position inspired astrologers, poets, and scientists alike. Chapter 2. First observations of Mars. In the 1600s, with the invention of telescopes, astronomers began to study Mars in detail. Galileo Galilei was one of the first to observe Mars through a telescope. Christian Huygens in 1659 made the first detailed drawing of Mars, noticing surface features. Giovanni Schiaparelli in the 1800s mapped the planet and described canali, channels. This word was mistranslated as canals, sparking the idea that intelligent beings might have built waterways on Mars. Percival Lowell popularized the theory of Martian civilizations. For decades, people truly believed Mars had intelligent life. Science fiction novels like H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds captured imaginations, making Mars the planet of aliens. Chapter 3. Mars versus Earth, the twin planets. Mars is often called Earth's twin. But how similar is it really? Diameter, Mars is about half the size of Earth. Gravity, just 38% of Earth's gravity, you'd weigh much less on Mars. Atmosphere, thin, mostly carbon dioxide, almost no oxygen. Temperature, much colder, average around 63 degrees. Day length, almost same as Earth, 24 hours and 37 minutes. Year, one Martian year is 687 Earth days. Moons, Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Landscape, deserts, mountains, canyons, polar ice caps. Mars looks like a desert Earth, dry, rocky, and lifeless, but strangely familiar. Chapter 4. The landscape of Mars. Mars holds some of the most extreme landscapes in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Valles Marineris, a canyon system 4,000 kilometers long, 10 times bigger than the Grand Canyon. Tharsis Bulge, a massive volcanic plateau. Polar ice caps made of water ice and carbon dioxide ice. Dust storms, the largest in the solar system, sometimes covering the entire planet. These features suggest Mars was once very active, with volcanoes, tectonics, and flowing water. Chapter 5. The mystery of water on Mars. Water is the key to life. Scientists have been searching for water on Mars for centuries. Early telescopes showed dark streaks, thought to be rivers or canals. In 2015, NASA confirmed the presence of hydrated salts, suggesting liquid water might flow seasonally. Polar caps are made of frozen water. Recent data shows underground lakes of liquid water beneath ice caps. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even an ocean. Billions of years ago, Mars had a thicker atmosphere, warmer climate, and flowing water. What happened? Why did Mars dry up? Chapter 6. The Search for Life. The biggest question: was there ever life on Mars? In 1976, NASA's Viking landers performed experiments to detect microbes. Results were inconclusive. In 1996, a Martian meteorite found in Antarctica showed possible fossilized bacteria. Debate continues. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are exploring Mars for organic molecules and signs of ancient life. Mars may not support complex life today, but microbes could exist underground, protected from radiation. If life existed on Mars, it would prove that life is not unique to Earth. Chapter 7. Missions to Mars. Mars is the most explored planet after Earth. Flybys orbiters, Mariner. 4, 1965, sent the first close-up pictures. Landers rovers, Viking missions, 1976, Pathfinder Sojourner, 1997, Spirit Opportunity rovers, 2004, explored for years. Curiosity rover, 2012, still active. Perseverance rover, 2021, exploring Jezero crater, searching for signs of life. Mars helicopter, Ingenuity, first powered flight on another planet. Future missions aim to bring Martian soil samples back to Earth. Chapter 8, Mysteries of Mars. Why did Mars lose its atmosphere? Theory. Solar winds stripped it away after Mars lost its magnetic field. Could Mars still have underground life? What caused giant volcanoes to stop erupting? Are Phobos and Deimos captured asteroids, or remnants of a bigger moon? Could humans survive long-term on Mars? Mars continues to puzzle scientists with unanswered questions. Chapter 9, Humans on Mars, the Future. Humanity dreams of setting foot on Mars. NASA's Artemis program is preparing humans to return to the moon as a step toward Mars. Elon Musk's SpaceX is developing Starship to carry humans to Mars. Challenges: radiation exposure, extreme cold, lack of breathable air, long travel time, 6 to 9 months, one way. Need for food, water, shelter. Solutions: building habitats underground or with Martian soil. Using Martian resources to make fuel and oxygen. Growing food in greenhouses. Colonizing Mars is not science fiction anymore. It's a goal for this century. Chapter 10. Why Mars Matters. Studying Mars helps us answer big questions. How do planets evolve? Could life exist elsewhere? What is Earth's future? Can humans become a multiplanetary species? Mars is not just a red dot. It is a mirror to our past, and maybe a key to our future. Mars has always been a symbol of mystery and hope. It is the planet of war in myths, the planet of dreams in science fiction, and perhaps the future home of humanity in reality. As we continue to explore, every rover, every spacecraft, brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of the red planet. And maybe one day, the first humans will walk on Mars and look back at Earth as a tiny blue dot in the sky. This was the complete story of Mars. If you enjoyed this journey through space and want more cosmic explorations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, because the universe is full of stories waiting to be told.